Another great question a follower has asked is that I have pain in the lower abdomen, but only when I exercise. Could this be a hernia? It's a good question. If you have pain when you exercise, and if it's located in the lower abdomen, or in particular on either right or left side, like in your groin area, there is a good chance that you do have a hernia, even if you don't see a bulge. Small hernias can certainly cause pain. Pain is usually caused or increased when you do perform any strenuous type of exercise. So it's certainly a possibility. The other possibility is that you just have a strained muscle, which could either be your abdominal muscle as it inserts into your pelvis, or one of the muscles from your legs that inserts to your pubic bone. So that's a possibility as well.